AI feels like it got smart overnight, right? One day it's finishing your sentences. Next thing you know, it's writing essays, making art, coding apps, passing exams. So, what the hell happened? How did AI go from clunky to genius so fast? Here's the deal: three things changed everything. First, data. Stupid amounts of it. We're dumping insane amounts of data into the internet every second: texts, images, audio, everything. AI learns by spotting patterns in data. The more it sees, the better it gets. And now, it sees everything, from Wikipedia and Reddit threads to books, tweets, and memes. So if it feels like AI knows too much, it kinda does. Second, computing power. Ridiculous levels of it. Training something like ChatGPT takes weeks, running on thousands of powerful GPUs 24/7. These machines are built to do one thing fast: math. And AI runs on math. Millions of calculations per second. 10 years ago, this kind of power was science fiction. Now, companies can rent warehouses full of it. That's the fuel behind the fire. Third, transformers. Not the robot kind, the algorithm. In 2017, Google researchers dropped a paper called "Attention is All You Need." And that's where the transformer architecture was born. It changed everything. Transformers help AI understand context, how words connect, how ideas link, what you probably mean even if you don't say it perfectly. That's why ChatGPT doesn't just answer, it flows. It sounds human. It remembers. This model is the brain behind nearly every smart AI tool today. So yeah, this wasn't an accident. It's the result of throwing massive data, massive compute, and smarter algorithms at the same problem all at once. And it worked. Now we've got AI that can generate stories, design logos, mimic voices, hold conversations. Not because it's conscious, but because it's trained harder, longer, and faster than anything before it. Bottom line, AI got smart fast because we gave it everything it needed. The question now isn't how did we get here, it's what happens next.
Found that useful? Hit subscribe and the bell button for more videos like this.